The Neo Cordless Battery Vacuum Cleaner is powerful and wireless, designed to be easy to transport, use and store away. It's also A-rated on suction power, ensuring that all dirt and dust is eliminated from your home with ease. Featuring a lightweight design and rechargeable lithium battery, this cordless vacuum cleaner is suitable for most surfaces around the home, including carpet, fabric, tile and wood, giving you all the benefits of high-performance cleaning and the freedom of cordless capability. Along with the standard wide brush, battery charger and wall dock, the vacuum also comes with two different nozzles, the crevice nozzle and the combination brush, so you know we have your whole home covered, giving you greater cleaning power. Neo's battery vacuum is also available in two colours, purple or silver. Weighing only 2.2 kilograms and with a 1 litre dust capacity, the battery vacuum cleaner makes those hard-to-reach areas effortless. You can now clean under the bed, the top of the curtains and the stairs with ease, with a runtime of 22 to 30 minutes depending on speed selection. And once you're done, it only takes 3 to 4 hours to recharge from empty. Featuring a HEPA filter and Bagless waste tank design, the vacuum removes particles such as dust, allergens and mold spores from the air, making your home cleaner and safer. Why be limited to a traditional heavy vacuum when there's such an easy and flexible alternative? Discover the benefits of cordless cleaning with the Neo Battery Vacuum.